I'm going to first talk about creating a new texture in ArchiCAD. In this case, we're going to create a tile texture. And in order for us to create a tile texture, we need to have that image of the tile available to us within our library. So I'm going to go up to ArchiCAD, actually in a File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager. Now in this case, since this tile is going to be unique to this project, we're going to use the embedded library here and add to it. So we can just add to the embedded library, and I'm just going to go inside our documents, inside, find a picture of some material here. Let's see here what we have. Let's choose this one here. It's a kind of crazy looking tile. So we have this up in sort of tile mat Material 3. And I'm just going to click OK. And what that's going to do is add that material available to us within the embedded library. So then we're able to go up to Options, Element Attributes, and into Materials. Bring up this dialog box. And we need to start out with a material. Let's just maybe pick a paint color here and duplicate it. And I'll just call this tile pattern. Click OK. And its texture here, if we do a search now, we should be able to look inside the embedded library and find that tile matte texture or image that we chose just a little while ago. So that's going to become my image. Now, I like to give this tile a size here. I'll uncheck Keep Original Proportions and just type in 8 inches here and 8 inches here. And that's just a sample of 1 by 1. If we choose a higher amount of samples, you can see how this tile is going to literally tile out, if you will. I think this is going to work. Inside of our vectoral hatching, let's choose a grid pattern. Well, that is going to be 8 inches by 8 inches, so it matches the size of our tile here. And we're inside the internal rendering engine. If we look inside OpenGL, things look okay there. Inside the Lightworks rendering engine, we're going to say match with internal engine here. And let's see, reflectance, matte, transparency, color. We don't want Graphisoft masked image. What we want is to go inside and search. We'll choose that same peninsular tile mat. There we go. And I'm going to click. Okay, so our inside of our Lightworks rendering engine, peninsular tile, click OK. We should be good to go. So inside of Design, if I go inside, place a slab, choose our slab, select it, go inside, chain everything together inside of our textures. And you guys may not be able to see this, but I'm just going to go down and find tile pattern down here, click OK, and you can see now that we have that tile pattern available to us. Inside of 2D, if we select our floor, our slab here, and we go down to cover fills and select cover fill, and inside the cover fill we have selected use cover surface material, then and click OK. You guys can't see that. Let's bring this up one more time. Click OK. Now you can see we now have that 8 by 8 grid pattern. One more thing, if we need to figure out the origin, if we wanted our tile to start in this corner here, what I'm going to do is go into 3D, select the tile, and go into Design, Align 3D Texture, Set Origin, and I'm just going to pick this corner here. You can see the tile realigns not only in 2D, or 3D, but rather in 2D as well.